Hey friends, Allie from Allie here, and I wanted to show you 3 different ways that you could use a really fun new kit from Traci Reed Designs. I printed some of these out, and they're just so cute. It's the kit is called Still Me, and it's all about like resolutions and like making sure that you're your best self. And the kit is absolutely gorgeous, and I love it. It also has journaling cards, and then I worked with Traci and did some coordinating prayer request cards and pocket prayer cards, and I'm super excited to do several projects with all of these. So on the prayer request cards and the pocket prayer cards, I did actually print out some single-sided and then some double-sided with some of the really great papers from Traci's kit. So I'm going to show you a couple ways I'm going to use just Traci's kit in like hybrid printable form, some with the prayer request cards, and then some with a combination of both. So I'm going to link to a ton of videos because I'm not going to go through every bit of how I put it all together, but I will link to similar projects that I've done in the past in case you want to see more. But I'm super excited to show you a bunch of different ways that you can use this absolutely gorgeous kit. So the first project I did with this kit is, I'm gonna be shocked to no one, a prayer ring. So I love these prayer rings. They're so much fun to make and so easy to like throw in my bag and use while I'm on the go, and just a constant reminder to always be praying. So I used a really great like gradient rainbow paper for the cover and the front and back covers, and then did another paper to kind of make a frame, and then this really fantastic journaling card from the kit. So the Trust My Next Chapter, because I know the author. I just thought it was really good for like a Trusting in God card, and just a reminder to pray and pray for your story. So there's also some journaling cards in here, and I just thought this would kind of like a good goal setting prayer journal. And then again, some of them have printed paper on the back just for some visual interest. You guys know I'm all about the visual interest. And so, alternating as I usually do, like how great is that paper, with the smaller cards and the larger cards. Just again, visual interest, keep it interesting. And then there are plenty more journaling cards, like Goal Digger, things like that I can add later on, just to kind of mix it up a little bit. And there's some really great stickers in the printable kits that I could add to these. I just haven't done it yet because I just really want this to be nice and organic and kind of pray through it and then see how I want to decorate. So this is kind of an in-progress one, but I always like to get my base done. Next up is my new addiction, which is making these cute little traveler's notebook, the passport size or pocket size. Everyone kind of has a different name for them. Just these laminated traveler's notebook holders. And I love using the little Scout Book ones. These are all from Elise Joy or Get to Work book. So these are very like goal project oriented, and so I wanted to make sure to include those. This is again going to be kind of an artsy goal oriented notebook and kind of keep some ongoing projects in there. I did hole punch this and string it through, and I will link to a video that shows you really how I did it step by step. I do have a template that I use to make this so I could print it out, and I'm super in love with it, and I think this collection just really translates well to something fun and tiny like this. I'm especially obsessed with the inside because it's that like newspaper artsy kind of look, and I'm just so excited about this. I love this collection so much, and I think this is going to be a goals book that I carry around a lot. And this is just a little charm that I made. I really got bored one day and had a bunch of charms, and I threw them on to make a planner charm. And I will find some videos that do a really great job of how to make these, because that's not something I'm super an expert at, but they're a lot of fun to make. The final project is a little mini, again, goals / resolutions. I just love keeping those things in multiple different places so I can see them multiple times a day. But this is a mini Happy Notes just a little notebook. I did use the Happy Planner rings. I bought them in a huge pack with a bunch of colors, and then I made my own cover and then hole punched it as well. And then I just kind of threw in a bunch of different things that I had. This was a Project Life card that I laminated. There's a bunch of like illustrated faith card that I thought went really great. And I love laminating some of these cards because then it kind of acts as a divider, and I might even add a tab later. But again, like more prayer request cards, just some labels. This is kind of an ongoing thing where I can keep some brainstorms, some notes. I don't know about you guys, but I definitely tend to get the most ideas when I'm out and about, and I usually have nothing to write it on, or like no special place to keep ideas or brainstorms. So I thought this would be really great for like keep a projects to do tab, or like changes I want to make, or you know what I've been eating kind of thing. I thought it'd be really great to have a place for that, and of course prayers as well. So I thought this coordinated so nicely, and it's just really fun to do little projects like this with a collection that you absolutely love. So that's all 3 of the projects that I currently have in process with the Still Me kit from Traci Reed Designs. I love this digital kit, and I'm super excited to keep using it. Be sure to check my Instagram for some scrapbooking pages, traditional digital scrapbooking pages that I've done as well. I cannot get enough of this kit. I'm super excited to be using it. Be sure to check in the description box below for all the links to all these different things. I'll put some tutorial links. I'll put some links where you can grab the kit and the prayer cards. Lots of good stuff, so be sure to check below and hit that subscribe button if you would like to see more. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.